I am going to Boston. We're about to take off. See you in a while, Boston. Parang lahat may slow pa guys. Nasa Massachusetts and it's snow. Tignan niyo naman ang putik ko na sa baba. First night at Boston. Bobby. Bobby!
Bobby, you can also request for a toothbrush. Hi!
Yee.
Together again. Love you.
Let's go, let's go. Going out. We're going. Saan tayo punta?
CVS.
CVS. And then we're going to eat dinner at Raising Cane's. It's my first time in Raising Cane's. After that, manonood kami ng The Housemaid. Go. Hi! Kami ay nasa labas na. We're in Boston Common. Ayan o, may snow pa. Ayan o.
Sa Framingham marami pa. Pwede ka pa humiga.
Lamig. Oh my God!
Bakit?
That's cold.
Okay ka lang?
That's cold. So pretty. Is it pretty?
You're pretty.
Bookie. Pretty, pretty. CVS run. Anong binili natin? It's just water and chips.
Tubig, chips. Hey,
Ano pa bibili natin?
kunin mo na kaya yun. Yung Ben and Jerry's.
Paano ko matunaw? We're done with CVS run. We also bought some ice cream. Kahit ang lamig na. We're going to Raising Cane's na because I'm hungry. Are you hungry too?
Ako din.
Okay. So 14 minutes walk from where we are. Hello. It's Boston, guys. Looks great. But it's colder too. Looky, guys. It's a whole old movie house. Tapos yung katabi niya, opera house. Sound of Music yung nasa opera house ngayon. Very Christmassy pa ang Boston.
Dinidismantle na nila tapos nakasusiso.
Yeah. Hello guys. Raising Cane's is right there. We're gonna eat. I'm so hungry. It's 7:56 and we're about to eat. And this is my first time tasting Raising Cane's kasi walang malapit sa Rockville na Raising Cane's. Ang pinakamalapit is sa DC. So let's see if worth the hype ba ang Raising Cane's, guys. Or wala naman palang special. The food is here na, guys. Sobrang dami na naman ito.
Sure mo na to.
Yeah. Ikaw din. Kasi yung spoon and fork.
Oo. Kuha ko fork.
Thanks, babe. Thanks. The sauce is yummy. Ooh, it's yummy. Sana lang may rice. Their chicken is good, Babi.
Ang sarap ng bread.
Oh?
Manamis-namis. Parang French toast.
Sarap. Gusto ko yung sauce, masarap ka.
Somehow in-expect ko ganito yung lasa.
Oh? Okay hindi.
Mukha siyang ketchup na mayo na.
Ang in-expect ko na lasa. Parang brunch. Can I borrow your phone? Nandyan pa ba yung Instagram ko?
Wala na.
Oh.
Try mo nga. Wala na.
My fingerprint is not there anymore.
Wala naman din. Ayun, no? Dalawa pa nga. Lori. Nag-iba yung ano mo?
Nakaipang lorry yan.
Sabi ko na eh.
Sabi mo, madali mo ako mahanap sa airport. Kasi may max na tayo.
Hindi ako tumitingin sa map. Ang sinundan ko lang kung saan lumalabas yung mga tao. Sabi ko, dito sila lumalabas. Yan, sige. Tapos nandun ka pala nang galing sa right side. Ang weird ng airport, yung kuhaan ng baggage.
Doon din naman sundo.
Doon na rin yung sundok.
Doon din sa sa Lega.
Kung Pilipinas yan, punuan yan. Nandun yung mga pasaherong kukuha ng bagahe, tapos nandun yung mga sasalubong na isang barangay.
Isang jeep.
Isang barangay per tao. Busog na ako. Buti hindi ako kumuha ng coleslaw.
Bakit?
May extra sauce ako.
Extra sauce din ako.
Sa lugi ako. Parehas lang binayaran ko pero wala ako.
Yeah.
Bakit?
Wow. Stop looking at me like that.
Ikaw ang tumititig sa akin.
Busog na ako, take out natin. May almusal ako bukas.
Sa tate tayo mag-aalmusal.
Masarap ang Raising Cane's, guys.
Kaso walang yung nakabasa yung sauce.
Kaya nga. Nasaan yung nakabasong sauce?
Dapat nakalagay dito.
May bayad pa yung extra sauce, guys. Kala namin only yung sauce. Ay, masarap. May lasa yung chicken. Masarap yung sauce. Masarap yung toast. Yeah.
Sarap lang.
Masarap lahat.
Ben and Jerry's.
Ano mabunod ko? Mukhang masarap.
Nawala yung busog eh.
Sarap.
Gusto ko ka, isa masalo matamos.
Diba? Love you.
Ilang years tayo dinikit? 2?
3.
2 lang.
3.
2 years na.
3.
Huling kita natin, August 2023. August 20. August 2024, August 2025.
Pagka-day pa nga.
August, September, October, November, December. 4 months. 2 years na. At least ngayon, pwede na kahit every year.
Wow. May budget?
Oo naman. Hindi naman natin kailangan umalis palagi. Like, kunyari, pupunta ako sa'yo. Hindi naman natin kailangan mag-New York. Tapos next time, magka-California agad.
Why not?
Okay. Mas importante magtipid tayo for the wedding. Ngayon din. Pag-ipon ako sa tiyan mo.
This is mine. Thanks, babe. Lamig na, guys.
Masakit na ng kamay ko.
Inagaw ko kasi yung gloves niya.
Ang sakit.
Wala siyang gloves, tuloy.
Hindi
Sorry.
na gumagana yung fingers.
Balik kami hotel. Kasi 10:30 pa yung scene namin.
Tawid na lang kami ng tawid. Yung mga traffic light dito, suggestions lang. Recommendation. Dito ba?
So, ayun. Lalabas kami ulit later. It's so cold. Naninigas na yung mukha ko. It's 10:20 and we're going to AMC Theaters. Manonood kami ng The House made by Frida McFadden. Because it's a book. And so far, Frida McFadden is like my author. I'm excited to see it. We're out again. 10:30 yung movie. Ang lamig. Mamaya hindi na ulit malamig. Kasi manhid na ulit yung chicks ko mamaya. We're walking to AMC Theaters. We're here, we're here, we're here. Yay! May Bobby.
Hello. Ang laki ng AMC.
Oo nga eh.
May discount din to tuwing Tuesday or Wednesday?
Yeah, half the price.
Tuesday or Wednesday?
Tuesday and Wednesday.
Pareho.
Fully.
Ang cool. Luma na yan, no? Nag-fade.
Stig nga eh.
Yung Sprite.
The AMC here is cool.
Lucky.
Ooh! Mando.
Kapansin mo yung ano niya? Yung style, parang luma.
Yeah, luma nga eh. Wizard of Oz. This is the coolest AMC theater I've been. That's what we're watching. We're gonna watch now. Bro, that was so good. So, kakatapos lang ng movie. It's like so good. We're very, very close naman yung movie sa book. So, that's so good. It's so good. Like, crazy, crazy, crazy good. Amanda was so good. Si Sydney Sweeney parang lahat ng role niya same. Pati yung acting niya.
Same lang.
Pero si Amanda yung nagdala. Ang galing ni Amanda. Oh my God.
Kala ko talagang baliw siya.
Di ba? Ang galing niya. Kuwang-kuha niya si Nina. Going back to the hotel na. Bye-bye.